Greetings and salutations YouTube, itsHadrian here. Welcome to a new video. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys here. If you guys are returning, you guys are in for the treat because I got some really exciting stuff today. So I am very excited to show you guys what I got. But if you guys love thrifting and love thrift hauls and vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications, and don't forget to add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's get into this haul. Oh, but if you were interested in seeing the thrifting video for this particular haul, I'll have it linked right there. Check it out. It was a really good one. The store was amazing this day, so I was very excited. So let me show you guys the first. Okay, so the first thing I got is kind of random, but I got this for my nephews. They're like awards of excellence. I just thought it was really funny because they're like really into, like, I don't know where they got it, but being the child of the day, and I promise that's not because of me, but like I just thought it would be really funny to give them like little awards. So I don't know, I just saw this and it was 99 cents, so I was like, well, I'm just gonna get it. They're pretty funny. So I'm really excited about these. I just got that for fun for the kids, you know. You know how it is. Gotta keep them busy. Summer is like coming up, so gotta keep them well behaved, and if giving them a piece of paper is gonna help, I'm all for it. Okay, so the next item, I was so excited for this because I have been on the hunt for one of these for so long, and it is this amazing wreath. I can't even fit it in the frame. Can you guys see it? Yes! Now this was $3.99 and it's so stinking cool. I'm gonna put it on the front door. I've seen these before in the past, but they're always like really short, and this one is very big and dramatic. And I feel like it does a really good job of looking pretty good. So I had to get it. $3.99 is a steal for this. If I bought one of these from the store, it would be so much more. Now this isn't like one, because I know they have these at like Target and the Orange County Goodwills that I go to. They do get items from Target, and they're not donated. They're like at a very reduced price. They're usually like returned items with like damaged boxes or whatnot and so forth, etc. So I know that Target does have these, but they're not this big, like, and full. So I was very excited when I saw this, like very, very, very excited. Don't forget to add me don't forget to like check out the vlog. Actually, I'll probably show you guys in this video. At the end of this video, show you guys how it looks on the door, because I'm really, really excited about it. And I have been wanting something like that for so long. Okay, so the next item that I have here, I had to get these little mixing bowls. Not mixing bowls, they're like measuring bowls. So the outer one is red, then it's a blue one, dark blue, light blue, green, and then yellow. And I'm pretty sure that these are from like Williams-Sonoma or something. Either way, these were only $2.99. And I really, really like these. Mom and I have been like looking for something like this, and I'm just like, she's like, let's just get them Williams-Sonoma. I'm like, no, Mom, I promise I'm gonna find them at the Goodwill, and found them. So I'm very excited. These might not even be Williams-Sonoma, I'm not too sure, but they look just like the ones from there. And they're like the ones that aren't ceramic, they're like that really nice plastic. So I am over the moon with this. $2.99. I know it's probably like really washed out because of the light. Then the next thing I have here that I had to get, which is like so perfect, and I got this S mug from Anthropologie. And this one was only 99 cents. Can you believe that? Now this is perfect. It was just my neighbor's birthday, and her name starts with an S. So I'm gonna give this to her. It could be like a little, I'm gonna put together like a little birthday package thing. So I'm really excited to have, because we talk like about how much we love Anthropologie. We actually had a conversation the other day right before our birthday about how we both love Anthropologie so much, and that's kind of like the inspiration for how I ended up doing our living room. So if you guys haven't checked out that vlog, don't forget to check it out, because I feel like the living room looks really good, and I love it so much. And I feel like it's totally giving off the Anthropologie vibe with like, yeah, you just have to check it out. I think I really like it, and I hope you guys do too. But just finding like an Anthropologie mug is really exciting, and with her initial on it. So it was very serendipitous. I had to get it, and It's so cute. I really, really like it. So I'm very excited to be able to find that. And also not have to head over to the Anthropologie store. The closest Anthropologie store to my house is actually like really far. I think it's like 45 minutes to an hour away, I think. So there's that. Then the next item I have here. Ooh. Oh, let me show you this. Almost forgot about this. Oh, no, I'm dropping stuff. So I got this really cool pillow, and I normally like don't buy pillows from there unless they're like Target pillows, because I know that they're like kind of newish. But you can always just throw them like high heat inside the dryer to like kill off bacteria or whatever, or dirt. But this one actually has a zipper, so I can just like take off the case, throw everything inside the washing machine, and just be like totally fine with it. But this one is so cute. It has like, I think they're like little lanterns and little satchels with flowers. I don't know if there it is, there it is. So I just thought it was really, really cute. This was only 99 cents. And where are you gonna find a pillow like this? And it's Belif, and then Limelight. So I don't know what that brand is, but I just thought it was such a cute pillow. Even the insert's actually really nice too. So for 99 cents, I think that's a really good deal. So I'm just gonna throw these in the washing machine, and I'm actually probably gonna use this as an outdoor pillow. I think this would be really, really cute in the courtyard, where I have this like kind of like garden motif going on at the moment, and I think this is gonna fit right in. So actually I'm gonna show you how this looks too, and how the wreath looks, the floral wreath on the door. So there's those, and then I think this is the last home decor item I have to share with you guys, and I had to get it. If you guys watch my previous videos or anything, you guys know that I am completely obsessed with the blue and white. For a really long time, my like dining table was like a blue and white motif, and I just took it down today. But check this out. It's blue and white mixing bowls. There's 3 of them. And these are from Crate and Barrel. These would be so expensive if I bought them at Crate and Barrel. And this was only, how much? Like $5.99, which is a deal on these. So I'm so excited to have found these. I don't know, I like just love mixing bowls. And I like recently I feel like I've gotten a lot of mixing bowls, but I'm gonna send like a bunch of them to like my family in the Philippines, so it's totally fine if I stock up on mixing bowls because they always need them anyway. And they're so expensive, and these were such a good price. And plus, they're totally my motif. Blue and white is my obsession. So $5.99 is not bad for this at all, and therefore really great quality mixing bowls, and I couldn't be happier. And Mom's really excited too. So as long as Mom's happy, I'm happy, you know? So there's that. And then this is the last item I have to share with you guys, and it is this really cool canvas and leather backpack. It's awesome. I really, really like the color of the canvas. It's like a khaki kind of color, and then with like the contrasting dark blue, or dark blue, dark brown, dark brown, and then this is kind of like a khaki green color. I just thought this was a really, really cool backpack, and it was only $10. And it's from a brand called Quality and Design United Leather. Right there. I don't know anything about the brand or anything, but I just like saw this backpack. It was like in really, really great shape. It looks like it was made really, really well. I think is the zipper broken? The zipper is like a little like wonky, but I think I can fix it because it doesn't like zip like properly. But I think I just need to like clamp it, you know, and see and probably get that to work. But other than that, like it has like the top anyway to kind of like hold it in place. But I'm pretty sure I can fix it, which is why I ended up getting it. But it's just like a really cool knapsack, and I really like the design of it. So it kind of reminds me of Herschel backpacks. So there's that. And that rounds out the haul, but let me show you guys how that stuff looks outside, so I'll take you guys with me. Okay guys, so I put the wreath on the door. I think it looks so fantastic. It definitely gives it like that summer vibe, spring, summer. The yellow flowers, I think, make a really fun pop against like the bluish green of the door. So there you go. I love it so much. I'm so excited. Then out here is where I decided to put the pillow in our little courtyard. A lot of these things I actually have thrifted as well. This rug right here is thrifted. This other carpet is actually from Sam's Club. We've had it for like a million years. That tiger, these two planters, and those vases. Oh, that whole thing was actually thrifted, but the plant and the vase were separate. And then that pillow. So this whole area, like a lot of these items were thrifted, but take a look at that. And don't mind like the green netting. My mom is like trying to protect the newly planted things from some animal critter friends. But yeah, I think I really like the pillow here. I feel like it adds so much dimension to that little area and just brings, like, grounds it, I think, because it's a little bit of a darker color for the outline of the photos or the pictures. And yeah, so there you go. Yay! I'm like really excited, you guys. I almost forgot to share with you guys this dog bed, or dog, like, I don't know what it is. It's like a really big, I can't even open it here because I can't even show it to you because it's so big, but it's like a big round like dog kennel thing, but it's like made, like, I don't know. I think it's really cute. It opens in the top and it opens in the front. It was only $5.99 and it's like literally like brand new. So I was very excited about this guy and the puppies are gonna love it. So I'm excited. Alright guys, so we're back inside my room. I just wanted to thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today and checking out all my finds. I was really excited about all this cool stuff that I found at the Goodwill. So if you guys are like on the fence about going to your own Goodwill and checking it out, or like are kind of like apprehensive, definitely go and check it out. You never know what you're gonna find. You can find some amazing treasures. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite item was that we found. Let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently as well, because I love hearing about your finds also. But thank you guys again so much for hanging out. Don't forget to check out today's vlog that goes up at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and a new thrifting video tomorrow at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys then. Bye! So upon further inspection of this bag, it's very dirty and with a lot of pen stains. I think I'm just gonna let this one go just because it's just kind of a hot mess. I'm gonna leave that here. What is this? Oh, Aldo, I already saw that one. This one's like the sack, and I think this is a Therealreal, also the sack.